Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set reminders on Google Keep. To do this, it's really easy. Just open the app just like this. Now we first of all need to create a new note we want to set a reminder for. I have a quick note right here, but let's say that this was my grocery list and I want to add a reminder for this list. What I can simply do is open that note, then go to the top right and click on the bell icon like this. Once you've done that, what you can do is simply set a reminder for when you want this reminder to go through basically. To do this, click on pick date and time. And you can choose exactly when you want this reminder to go through. So for example, Saturday at 9 p.m. Then I click on save like this. And basically, once you've done that, you will see this little bar right here with the date and time. And then that's the time you will get a reminder for this note. And that will basically be sent through your notifications. So make sure that notifications is enabled for Google Keep. And that's basically all you need to do in order to set reminders on Google Keep. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.